Hello friends. Today, we're diving into the world of Sony's latest smartphone, that's not just going to win your heart with its futuristic features, but is also set to leave behind powerhouses, like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, we're talking about Sony's most anticipated smartphone, the Xperia 1 Mark 7, the upgraded version of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 6. If you're planning to get your hands on this stunning device, make sure to watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we're going to uncover all the juicy details about this phone's features, price, and launch date. So, let's get started. Features of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. Display. Sony's magnificent smartphone boasts a 6.56-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, complete with 4K HDR support. Plus, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and 240 Hz touch sampling, this display promises to be ultra-smooth and responsive. And yes, with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, it's not just about looks, it's about durability too. Adding an extra layer of security is the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because when Sony's in the conversation, the camera is always a highlight. Staying true to its legacy, Sony has equipped this phone with a triple camera setup. You're looking at a 48-megapixel effective primary camera, with OIS support. Alongside, there's a 12-megapixel telephoto sensor, and a 12-megapixel periscope sensor, offering 6x optical zoom. Plus, Sony's exclusive clear image zoom technology will make your photos sharper, and more detailed. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera ready to make every selfie perfect. Processor. When it comes to performance, this phone is set to be a powerhouse. It's powered by Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This processor is not just about gaming, it's about making every task effortlessly smooth. Coupled with the Android 15 operating system, the user experience is bound to be top-notch. Battery life. Talking about battery life, the phone comes with a massive 5100 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Additionally, it supports 45-watt fast charging, with a Type-C Gen 2 charging socket. Price and launch date. Now, onto the most exciting part, the price and launch date. In US, the price is expected to be around $1,400. And as for the launch date, this phone is set to hit the market mid this year.